Namaste all of you. Today I am making dal fry recipe. For that I am using this yellow dal, moong dal 1 cup and chana dal 1/4 cup. Now I am going to wash them together. So as you can see, I washed the dal. Now I am going to soak it for 5 minutes. So now after 5 minutes I am putting this dal in the cooker. Now I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and water. You can see I have taken 1 glass of water, and now I am adding half spoon of ghee. So as you can see, I boiled the dal. Now we will do the next step. So now I am putting 2 spoons of ghee. In low flame we have to cook this. So now I am putting 1 spoon cumin seed, 2 red chilies, then ginger, garlic cloves, then green chilies, so all this I am going to fry now. Saute for just a few seconds. Now I am adding this bay leaf. Now I am adding the onions. 1 onion I am using. Saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now I am adding the tomatoes. I am using 1 tomato, 1 big size tomato. So after 1 minute I am going to add turmeric powder. Turmeric powder already I used while boiling the dal. So I am adding little now, half teaspoon. Then salt also I am adding little only because already I used salt. So half teaspoon again. Then half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now mix them. Just saute them until the onion and tomatoes cook. Now I am adding little water so that this masala should not burn. For that chili powder or green chili you can use according to your taste. You can see the masalas are cooked nicely. Now I am going to add the dal. So you can see friends, a nice boil is coming. This dal is ready. Now I am going to put the tadka. So for tadka I am using 2 spoons of ghee. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon cumin seed, then 1 dry chili, then green chili, 2 green chilies I am using. So at this moment we have to off the gas. So now the gas is off. I turned it off. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now I am putting this tadka over this dal. So you can see after the tadka it's looking so nice. So my dal fry is ready. So friends, this dal fry recipe is ready. So I hope you will like this dal fry recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you again with my next video. Till the time, take care friends. Thank you.